This video tutorial I will explain AspectJ AfterReturning advice example using XML configuration. At AfterReturning annotation declares the AfterReturning advice. AfterReturning advice will be executed after calling the actual method and after returning the result. And we can get the result value in the AfterReturning advice. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: add employee, modify employee, and delete employee. Here I have defined the class logging aspect. It has log after returning method which accept join point and object. We will see how to configure to call log after returning method of logging aspect method after calling add employee method of employee service class, and it returns this string that we can capture in the result parameter of log after returning method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have created bean for employee service class, and here I have mentioned aspect classes logging aspect class, and here I have done the AOP configuration. Here I have mentioned point cut method as add employee method of employee service class, and here I have configured after calling the point cut method add employee method, call log after returning method of logging aspect class. This AOP colon after returning is equivalent to at after returning annotation. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling add employee, modify employee, and delete employee methods. Here you can see the output, and here you can see after calling add employee method, log after returning method is executed, and add employee method returns a value that is captured here. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.